Hi guys, welcome back to my Unity 3D puzzle game series. I'm Long. In the last part, I completed player death state. Here you can see, when my character hit death state cube, his position will be set to start point. Okay, in this part, I'm going to create checkpoint. This means in a map or level, when my player hit a checkpoint box, when he dies, he will be sent to last checkpoint instead of start point. Okay. Let's create a new cube and assume it as a checkpoint. Rename it by checkpoint. Change Y position to 0.75 to make it a little bit height from floor. To make it different from the death point, I create a new material and apply to it with any color. Create a new material and name it by checkpoint met. Let's pick a color. Open Scene tab and drag the material created to checkpoint cube. Okay, it's yellow now. Drag it to somewhere. And place death point to a little bit far. Now, create a new script and name it, checkpoint. Open it to write some code. Same way with the death point script, I also use onTriggerEnter method. If other.gameObject.compare tag with player. I need to save the last checkpoint. So, I create a new script with name GameManager. In this CS script, we make it as a singleton. This means this game manager is unique. To make it, declare a public static variable and name it by instance. In the awake method, set that variable to this. Okay, now, in checkpoint script, I can use GameManager.instance. Oh, I forgot declaring last checkpoint variable. Make it public here. Okay, now, set last checkpoint to this checkpoint position when the player hits the checkpoint. Okay, add this script to checkpoint object. Remember to tick as trigger checkbox. Drag script to it. Now, create a new empty object to attach GameManager script. Name it by system and some special char. Drag script here. Note that, at the beginning, the last checkpoint is start position. So, drag start pose here. Let's try a test. Now, I move the character to the death pose. Because I don't hit the checkpoint, so, my character come back to the Now, hit the checkpoint and test again. Oh, something's wrong. because I haven't changed something in deathpose script. Open it and check now. Here, instead of moving the character to start pause, I move it to last checkpoint. Let's test again. Move it to death pose. OK, now, move it to checkpoint first, then move to death pose. OK, good. So, I've done this part of Unity 3D puzzle game series, Checkpoint. See you later. If this clip is useful with you, please leave a like and a comment. Thanks for watching.